Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from a Realme device to Redmi 14R. Begin by opening Play Store on both smartphones and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue and allow. In all of the other pop-ups, tap on wherever you want to, and when you finish, select Send at the bottom left corner of Realme and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Redmi. Also on Realme, thanks to all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a few, just for example. Now hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, tap on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and tap on Receive button to connect. If you want to scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and just point it at the code. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!